In this tutorial, we're going to show you how you can make an app in under an hour. Now, we're just going to quickly do an app, and it's going to be for a car valeting company. There is a reward card going in there. That applies to any types of businesses that offer rewards, such as coffee shops, gyms, etc. So the modules are the same. You get plenty of layouts, over 60 layouts, 60 templates to choose from, but we're just going to show you how easy it is to make an app.
Step 1. Once you have signed up, you'll be sent a confirmation email with your login details. Simply enter your email and provided password to access your dashboard. Once logged in, click Manage. Next, choose a template from our range or add your own image. For this example, we will use a blank template. Then press OK. Next, scroll down, click Change your template, locate your image you want to use, then press OK. Next, scroll down and ensure the tick is highlighted for the Hide iOS and Hide Android bar. Using the drop-down menu, select your country and currency. Moving down, choose a font from the selection. As you can see on the right-hand side, the mobile image shows your app developing in real time. Next, scroll back to the top of the page and select Choose Layout. Here we have over 60 layouts to choose from. For this example, we will choose Layout 6. OK, for now we are done with this section. Next, select Features at the top of the page. As you can see, there are many features to choose from, all developed and ready to use. Features are what make your app powerful, and by adding a feature allows you to customize your user's experience. Let's begin. To ensure we meet regulations with Apple and Google, we first want to add a privacy policy. To do this, go to the search area and type Privacy Policy. Once it appears, click to select. As you can see on the app image, the information is already there. No need for you to type it up, and this meets with regulations for both Apple and Google. Let's add an icon. Next, select Icon by clicking on it. Let's change the icon. You can use any icon from the menu by scrolling down the page or upload your own. If using your own icon, use a transparent background. Simply search on Google Images. At the top, let's add a new icon. Simply source your folder on your computer where you placed your icon and select. Press OK, then simply press Save and you're done. We just added our first page on our brand new app. Let's choose a new feature to add to our app. Next, let's search and add a loyalty card so customers who are loyal can receive rewards. This loyalty card is great for businesses such as coffee shops, car valeters, and any other sector who want to offer rewards to their app users and deplete the need for messy cardboard stamps which often get lost. First, let's change the icon and add our own, same process as before. Next, select My Passwords, enter a name and a unique staff password. Then select the arrow, then select Background. In this case, we will use the same image we uploaded at the start. Move the image to fit, then press Save. Next, select the plus sign to add content. Enter the card name. An example would be Reward Card. Then add the number of points, which is how many coffees or valets need to be purchased before a reward is provided. Next, where it says 1 point, in our case 1 point means they have purchased 1 valet, or can be 1 coffee already purchased. Where it says Use Only Once, leave this blank. Next, we want to add images for points to be allocated, and one where points have been allocated. Select Inactive button and insert image. And repeat for active and press save. Let's go back to features. You will now see a My Account features has been added. This is because users are required to sign in for the reward card. Click My Account. Let's change the icon to one we have pre-saved from Google Images. Where it says Enable Login, it is important to untick login using Facebook, but leave Enable Registration highlighted. Let's go back to features and add more. Before doing so, you can move the features on your app by dragging them to suit the order you want them to appear on the app. Next, let's search images so we can add a gallery to showcase our work. Select the Send Your Pictures, browse, and select the images you want to upload. Next, let's change the icon. Finally, rename the gallery and press Save. Let's go back to features. Next, let's add a popular feature, the weather, which you can locate by searching in the search box. First, let's change the icon. Now select the country, then location, and change units. As you can see, we need to add an API key. To obtain an API key, head over to the website, open Weather Source, sign up, log in, and select API keys. From there, create key by entering your app name and select Generate. This will now generate an API key for you to add. Next, on your dashboard, select API key and enter it where it's required. Your app now has a live, up-to-date weather feed. Let's add another feature. This time, let's add the all-important Push Notifications module. From the search area, type Push. Then click the module, and from there just change the icon and you're done. The push notification feature works only when the app is live, and when you send a push notification to your users, this is the area where the alterations will be. Let's add one more feature, this time videos. As before, change the icon, then select Content, then YouTube. Then add the words videos in the gallery name. And where it says search parameter, here you just want to add the name of the YouTube channel you want to bring in. Just copy the link from the YouTube channel page name and paste. OK, now we want to go to the top and select colours. Where it says Homepage, select Background. By pulling down the slider, this makes the pages on the app transparent and make it look more sleek and professional, as you can see in the device preview on the right. If you want to see how your app looks on your mobile, from the dashboard, on the left-hand side, select Promote. Then simply scan the QR code using your mobile QR code reader, and your app will become visible on your mobile for you to test before going live. For full training videos and tutorials on all the features offered, from the left-hand panel select Modules and then Training Videos. You can build your business a complete app using many of the layouts and features in under an hour. Some other features include adding a shopping cart, make an Uber-style app, review app, and more. There are enough features to build an app for any type of business. Once you're done, we will publish your app on the stores, ready for your users to download. Once your app is made, from your dashboard, you can now send unlimited push notifications, where you can send alerts of news, events, and other important information you want users to know, and once sent, every mobile that downloaded your app will receive an alert notification.